Hello, hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the ways to make the process of learning Korean more enjoyable. Learning Korean can be a challenging journey, but there are many ways to have fun while doing it. Firstly, try using K-pop and K-dramas. Korean music and drama can spark your interest in language learning. You can naturally pick up the language through lyrics and dialogues. Secondly, consider finding a language exchange partner. Learning exchange is a winning situation where you make friends and get to practice real conversations. Thirdly, language apps and games can be your friends. Language learning apps and games combine learning with fun. Explore Korean culture too. Cooking Korean dishes or watching Korean movie is a way to enjoy both language learning and cultural understanding. Also, set goals and reward for yourself. When you have language goals and reward yourself upon achieving them, it can boost your motivation. In summary, use various methods to make learning Korean enjoyable. K-pop, language exchange, apps, Korean culture, and goal setting can all help. Keep putting in the effort and enjoy your journey of learning Korean. If you are interested in more videos, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to leave any question and comments. I will answer for you. Thank you. Bye bye.